Bye! Look what just came in the mail. Okay, let's go inside. It's probably about, I don't know, 20 pounds, I'm thinking. Is there a shipping? How much does it weigh? 28.40 pounds. I was close. I was in the 20s. Okay, so I need scissors. I found a knife. I'm gonna leave this open because I don't know how to close it. It is the very first time when the 240 hertz as well as the 1 ms milliseconds and the IPS have been offered together in one monitor. I really hope that there's no ghosting or screen tearing on this monitor. Well, it is very secure. Okay. Fancy, look at this. It's very sturdy. So I got that. Oh, this is why it's 28 pounds, because everything's so heavy. So right here has RGB, which also means it'll light up. And look how cool and sleek this is. I think these are all the wires. Okay. Very cool. It comes with HDMI, USB 3 cord, display cord, as well as the wall cord. This is exciting. Okay, so here is the monitor. Dun, dun, dun. This would be really sad if it was messed up. Okay, look at this. This is what we pay for. Look how cool and sleek this back is. So right here is the laser engraving stencil, and right here are the buttons. In the back, if you want to take it off, you just click this button and carry it off. But okay, I'm actually gonna call my brother to help me. Eric! The top you hook in and then just push it in and it'll click in, and now voila, here's your monitor. Forgot to show you the back. Look how cool this is. Kind of like a Tiffany blue. I like it. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and see you guys next time.